let's talk about covering the brake. In particular, the front brake lever, which is located on my right side handlebar, near the throttle. A good practice is to cover the brake whenever you roll off the throttle. It looks like this. Rolling off, covering. Roll back on, uncover. Rolling off, cover. Why do that? Well, we do that because the front brake gives motorcycles, most of their stopping power, up to 70%. So it makes no sense not to cover that brake. Again, cover, on the roll off, roll back on, uncover. It's a safety thing.